Friends, today we are going to learn theorem of areas of similar triangles. Theorem of areas of similar triangles. What is that theorem? If we have the two triangles, say this is a triangle ABC and this is another triangle PQR. If these two triangles are similar, triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. If these two triangles are similar, then the ratio of areas of these two triangles, that means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB upon PQ, its square, BC upon QR, its square, and AC upon PR, its square. This is the theorem of areas of two triangles, similar triangles. What is the statement? Where if the two triangles are similar, or when the two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides, is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. So write down that statement. When two triangles are similar, then the ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. The ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Now we have to prove this theorem. To prove this theorem, I have drawn this. To prove that theorem, so I have these two triangles. Say triangle ABC and triangle PQR. These two triangles are similar. First triangle ABC. Second triangle PQR. So these two triangles are similar. So what are the given things? Given triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. Triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. And to prove, that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to squares of their corresponding sides. Corresponding side of AB is PQ. Square is equal to BC upon QR. Its square is equal to AC upon PR. Its square. That is the theorem of areas of two similar triangles. Here the triangles are similar. Now let us prove that theorem. To prove that theorem, we have to do some construction. Draw this perpendicular from point A, and the foot of perpendicular I say AD is perpendicular to BC, and here the foot of the perpendicular is say PM. So what we will do? Construction. Draw segment AD perpendicular segment BC and segment PM perpendicular to segment QR. AD is perpendicular to BC and PM is perpendicular to QR. So here we have done construction. Now see how we can prove that theorem. See here, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, they are similar. This triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. Therefore, their corresponding angles and corresponding sides are in proportion. That means AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. And their corresponding angles are also congruent. So we have taken only angle B, congruent angle Q, this angle. So according to given things, we have these two triangles are similar. So therefore their corresponding sides are in proportion and corresponding angles are congruent. We are not interested in the remaining two angles, so we have taken only angle B angle. Now see in triangle ABD, in this triangle, smaller triangle ABD and triangle PQM, in these two triangles. In triangle ADB and triangle PQM. In these two triangles, what are the congruent elements? This angle B, congruent angle Q. Previously proved angle B, congruent angle Q. Okay. This side 90 degree. Angle ADB, congruent angle PMQ. Angle ADB, congruent angle PMQ. Each of 90 degree. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. Triangle ADB, similar triangle PQM. Okay. Therefore, their corresponding sides are in proportion. That means AD upon PQ, AD upon ADB PMQ. Here 1-to-1 correspondency is wrong. PMQ, right? Proper correspondency PMQ. So AD upon PM, AD upon PM is equal to AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ. So this is the important thing in this theorem. So AD upon PM is equal to AB upon PQ. AD upon PM is equal to AB upon PQ. So remember this. But AB up now see in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In these two triangles we can write the ratio of their areas. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. We have seen the properties of areas of two triangles. So ABC, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is nothing but product of BC and AD, BC into AD upon QR into PM. Okay. So instead of AD up this we can write in this manner. BC upon QR into AD upon PM. AD upon PM. Here is BC upon QR, but we need BC square upon QR square. So BC upon QR instead of AD upon PM we can write BC upon QR, then we get BC upon QR square. Now see here in this AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Here is AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM. So from these two statements we can write AD upon PM is nothing but BC upon QR. From this one and this one. Here is also AB upon PQ, here is also AB upon PQ. So AB upon PQ, therefore BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PQ. So AD upon PM is equal to BC upon QR. If you substitute the value of this area upon PM is equal to BC upon QR, what we will get? BC upon QR into BC upon QR. So BC upon QR into BC upon QR is BC square or BC upon QR whole square. But BC upon QR is nothing but AB upon PQ. So instead of BC upon QR we can write AB upon PQ. Instead of BC upon QR we can write AC upon PR and we get the required result. So in this manner we will have to solve that theorem. So you got the steps. Now write down the steps one by one. We have written all these things. Draw this figure. Then given triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR given. To prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB upon PQ whole square, BC upon QR whole square, AC upon PR whole square. So this is how to prove. And we have written that construction also. What? Draw segment AD perpendicular to BC, segment PM is perpendicular to QR. Now let us write the proof step by step. So proof. First statement, area of triangle ABC. First triangle is triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to. We know the properties of areas of two triangles. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is nothing but BC into AD. BC into AD upon QR into PM. QR into PM. And the reason for that, property of areas of two triangles. According to this we can write as area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR into AD upon PM. Rearrange the terms only. Okay. Now what we will have to do that? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR whole square. When we will get the BC upon QR whole square? If we get AD upon PM is equal to BC upon QR. So our task is show that AD upon PM is equal to BC upon QR. So now we can do that. So how we can prove that? For that purpose, start from the given triangles. What we have, we have triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR given. Therefore, their corresponding sides are in proportion and corresponding angles are also congruent. So, fourth statement, therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. And the reason for that, corresponding sides of similar triangle CSST. Also their corresponding angles are also congruent. There also angle, this one angle B congruent angle Q, corresponding angle of similar triangle. Okay, now take this smaller triangle. Now in triangle ADB, ADB and triangle PMQ in these two triangles. What are the congruent elements? Angle B congruent angle Q. Obviously true. Angle B congruent angle Q. We can write same reason or from 5. Angle ADB. Angle ADB congruent angle P and Q. Each of 90 degree. Or we can write construction. Construction perpendicular we have drawn. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. Triangle ADB, similar triangle PMQ. AA similarity test. Okay. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by AA similarity test. Therefore, their corresponding sides are in proportion. What corresponding sides? AD. AD upon PM is equal to AB upon PQ. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. See, what is our task? We have to show that AD upon PM is equal to BC upon PR. Here AD upon PM is equal to AB upon PQ. But here AB upon PQ is nothing but BC upon QR. So instead of AB upon PQ, we can write here BC upon QR. So from these two statements, AD upon PM is equal to BC upon QR. From this one and this one. 4 and 8. From 4 and 8. From these two statements, AD upon PM is nothing but BC upon QR. So we put this value here in statement number 2. That means replacing this AD upon PM by BC upon QR. What we will get? Statement number 10. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, replace AD upon PM by BC upon QR. So, BC upon QR into BC upon QR. From this 9 and 2. 9 and 2. Statement number 2. That means BC upon QR whole square. But AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC. So, therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR whole square is equal to AB upon PQ whole square is equal to AC upon PR whole square. From this statement number 4 and 10. So in this manner we can write the proof. Very simple. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to what? BC into AD upon PR into PM. BC into AD upon QR into PM. Property of areas of two triangles. Now we can rearrange the terms. So AD upon PM alag and BC upon QR separate karte. After that, these two triangles are, so our task is prove that AD upon PM is equal to BC upon QR. AD upon PM is equal to BC upon QR. As soon as we can able to show that AD upon PM is equal to BC upon QR, if we substitute the values, then we get BC square upon QR square. We get this one. But all these three ratios are same, therefore all these three, their squares are also equal. So after this is given, triangle ABC, triangle similar triangle PQR, therefore their corresponding sides are in proportion. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC corresponding sides of similar triangle. Also their corresponding angles are rounded. Now take this smaller triangle ADB and PMQ. Triangle ADB similar triangle, in triangle ADB and triangle PMQ. Angle B congruent angle Q. Similar corresponding angles of similar triangles. Angle ADB congruent angle PMQ. ADB congruent angle PMQ, each of 90 degree construction. Therefore these two triangles are similar, therefore their corresponding sides are in proportion. AD upon PM is equal to AB upon PQ. But AB upon PQ is nothing but BC upon QR. So here from these two statements 4 and 8, AD upon PM is equal to BC upon QR. Now substitute this value here. After putting this value here, by replacing this one, we get this statement, that is BC square upon QR square. But all these three ratios are equal. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR whole square, area upon PQ whole square, AC upon PR whole square. That is the theorem of areas of two triangles. I think everybody will got that theorem. So here we will stop now.